Hello guys, welcome to another game of chess and I'm playing black. You can see that white has a dominating position. He has two rooks and a queen wherein I am a rook down. So in this position, white made a blunderous move. But before that, I will just tell you how the queen movements were. So white just moved his queen to the square, a6 square, and he wants to go ahead and get on the c8 square so that he can checkmate me. So I identified that and I just moved my pawn ahead so that I can make some room for my king in case if that move comes up. And then he still miscalculated and moved his rook to c8. So this is a blunder at a 900 elo, and then I just went ahead and captured his rook, and then he just moved his king to safety, and then I just went ahead and captured this pawn right here. Now he still has another option, but he missed again, and he just thought of getting the queen back. It's not doing any good to him. He's attacking my knight. That's the only benefit that he has, but then he will not get two chances, right? So he'll either have to capture my rook or the knight. So this is what I played, and then he has the option to capture my rook, which I am very happy for. Then I went ahead and moved my king to a safe zone. He took my pawn, and now if you see, he's a pawn up, but I have a knight. So I came back. This is what he played. Now he wanted to pin my knight right here, and he would just push his pawn to f3 and take my knight. But I was smart enough to identify this move, and I played this amazing move, queen check. Now he just moved his king to h8, and then still my, if you see, my knight is still pinned because my king is there. So I went ahead and applied another check right here, and now this is a blunder from his end, you could say that, because he could have moved his king back, but he played this move right here, and then I just pinned his queen by moving my knight and applying a check right here. And after this, I just took his queen, and then he resigned. Hope this was an interesting game and you learned a lot of things out of this game, especially if you are between that 900 to 1000 elo. Do subscribe for more of such chess lessons. Thank you.